We're
the introduction.
We're back for Tech Talk Thursday on Monday, right? Today is Monday. We're going to talk about some Windows updates and the importance of them and what they are. So, without further ado, I'd ask you, but I'm going to go first. So, what is in a Windows update? Well, it's mostly security updates, fixes to known issues, which Windows always seems to have. And every now and then, you may even get a feature update. Very impressive stuff. Every now and then, not always. Windows wants you to buy the next Windows version. So, I don't know. What do you want to talk about? You're the IT guy.
Okay.
Stephen Kellerhall's in the house.
Yeah, alrighty. Update-wise, thing to note in Windows 10 OS, I know some people still exist on Windows 7. No one uses 8.1. We all know.
XP is still kind of popular.
I have seen a few XPs in the business world.
Windows Vista, forget about it.
And then Windows 10, it actually takes away your ability to delay the updates or stop the updates. Windows by default will install the updates after a certain period of time. You have no choice. They install the updates.
You're getting it.
What you can do though is delay them, like some of the feature updates like you mentioned, you can delay up to 365 days. Other ones like security updates, you could have like up to 30. And you can customize this, so like if you were to just literally in your search bar in the bottom left hand side of your screen type in update or check for update, you go to the first option, which is check for update. You can immediately check for updates right then and there. Or you also have an advanced options tab where you can set the planned downloading times or delaying them.
Right, and it makes complete sense why the security update can only be delayed for 30 days as opposed to the feature update at 365, you said, right?
Right, yeah.
Security update's very important.
Right. And the reasons why I guess you would delay some of those updates is it can break certain connections for computers, to whether it's software or network
computer space.
Yeah, it could take up some computer space as well. Maybe you actually don't have enough space to actually download the update.
I have been there before on a old home computer, so.
Oh, on your Windows 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What we've actually seen in the past is Windows 10, some of the updates were actually breaking VPN connections recently.
Really?
Specifically from home networks to the client networks. We've been seeing it breaking out. We have newer versions of the VPN clients that are working properly with these updates, but there was news to us to find out that, hey, this certain piece of software stopped working, and it can be kind of detrimental. And
any issues with connecting to people's security or anti-virus software?
We haven't had any issues, at least in our client networks, of any antivirus blocks or anything like that. It's mostly just software updates. And then also Windows updates can also install updates, not just for Windows OS, but other Microsoft products as well. And you can enable that too in that update category.
So, in your opinion, should everybody enable automatic updates? I say yes. Most are casual users.
Well, yeah, most are casual users. Yeah, you probably should. I would say.
Definitive answer.
Yeah, that's it. Never mind. No, nothing. All right, bye guys. So, no, but in the business environment, there's specialized software that can break after an update. We had it in our business environment. It's always good also to have backups of your computer. I know System Restore is a features in Windows 10 and Windows 7 where you can create backups before updates apply. Fun fact, the updates seem to be bricking some of the Windows 10 computers, so that's also something to be concerned about if you do a system restore.
Careful.
Yeah, Microsoft's great. And we're their partner, so.
Issues happen, man.
Things happen, just make sure you have backups if something goes wrong and you can go back, I guess.
Yep. All right, There
Is
you
this
have
under
it.
the 3 minute? No. Can this go on Twitter?
Oh man, 5 minutes. Yeah, we can get it on Twitter.
Okay.
All right.
Cut all the BS.
We'll talk to you guys later.